Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And like 5 minutes ago, I just finished the iPhone 7 Taobao thing. So let's unbox the second episode of this thing. So it's a phone again. It's a Nokia 6700 phone. Yeah, and yeah, it's just basically a phone. It's also from Taobao, which Chinese wish. Yeah, so basically Chinese wish, you have weirdest shit on that platform. So yeah, let's unbox this up. Oh my gosh, I just pull up my curtain. Yeah, I barely like film at daytime because I just like too excited and I just want to unbox it right now. So I just did this video. How do I open this thing? How? Okay. Got that. Okay, I should just break the box. Damn it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here it is. With the box. Nokia. So yeah, let's just. It comes with the SIM adapter. I think the micro SIM, nano SIM. Oh, it's actually have also a SIM card like pin here. So yeah, nano is the smallest nano. Nano to misro SIM Okay, Chinese doesn't know English. Okay, misro SIM. Okay, so standard SIM card. Whoa. There's a standard SIM card that big? Yeah, it's just nano blah blah blah. So yeah, let's get this away. So what is this? This stuff. Oh, that kind of like you can like put it on your neck. It's like a necktie and hang a phone right here. It's actually I think it's a thing from like 2000s. There's a fashion or something like that back then. So yeah, take a look at the box. There's no English, but let me just translate it by me. So it's no dust, long battery health. Oh my gosh, my English. Oh my gosh, speaker, like ringtone as good as MP3 quality. Yeah, and you can like phone meeting. Yeah, it's from 2008 Nokia, blah blah blah. So yeah, it's basically Nokia in Chinese. This one too, Nokia in Chinese. So yeah, I don't want to translate this. My brain died. www.nokia.com.chinese. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, this is the phone. I just put this away. Let's see what's other thing inside. So just basically tell you how to put your SIM card in it. I don't know what's this. And here's the charger, and it's Chinese charger or US or AU, I don't know. So, and here's the battery. I think I have this one. So yeah, let's put this back in, and let's see if this thing have juice in it. And let's take a look at this. Whoa, I think it's brand new, and it's also a slide phone. I thought it would be bigger, but yeah, it's just, I don't know why it feels cheap. What's this? I think it's a photo shutter button, and I don't know what's these. I think it's charger, like, yeah. And yeah, there's like call, decline, home button. What's C, like, I don't know, backwards. And here's a D-pad. Actually, a ring and D-pad, it's two things. And yeah, here's the number pad. Let's open this up. How do I open this up? So I think it has this thing. So okay, so Wait a minute. This is not this phone. Is this not for this phone? This box is not for this phone. Yeah. Bruh, okay, so let me use my 500 IQ to think how to open this 500 IQ oh my gosh, I have 5,000 IQ, holy so yeah, it's the black plate of this. What's this say? I don't know. And 晋王许可. I don't know what does this mean. It's not a 6700, it's 600 S of an S. Okay, so let's put this in. Let's see if there's juice in it. I don't have that much time to like wait it to charge, but yeah, maybe we should also peel this. Damn it. Okay, again. Okay, that'll be okay, and let's peel this off. Finally, brand new things on my channel. Oh, so satisfying. Oh my gosh, I'm about to. I don't know why there's some like sparkles on it. You can see like. I don't know. Oh, there's second layer of this. There's a screen protector on it. Okay, let's peel this off too. Oh gosh, god damn it. I'm about to cook. Never mind. Okay, and let's open this. Let's turn this thing on. I think it's this one or this one. I think it's this one. Oh. Oh. Oh my. Oh, it doesn't have the sound, bruh. It doesn't have the music. What's the date today? 15th of October. So 15. Oh, what time is it? Okay, so here it is. Let me just change the. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's this? I don't know. Okay, I just want to go to. How do I? Here it is. So let's go to settings, and let's go to actually don't know. No, I don't want to update. Wait. This one. English. And settings. Yeah, this is settings. This one. Not this one. This one. What? I don't know anything. This one, I guess. This one. Final language. Finally. Oh, it's just restart. And yeah, that's my second slide phone. I think the S of this phone means slide. So, yeah. I think it has a not sliding version. I'm not sure. And yeah, let's explore this phone. It's finally English. Oh my gosh. So, I don't know why it looks like Windows Mobile. I've never used Windows Mobile, but let's check if it's Windows Mobile. So let's go to settings. I don't know, general. I don't know. How did I know the like version of this thing? Never mind, let's explore this phone first. And yeah, here's the calendar. Yeah, it's pretty great. I don't know. Contacts. No contacts. I have no friends, so sad. OV chat. What is OV? I don't know. Log. Okay, this was a recently called web. By the way, I don't know if this has Wi-Fi. If there's Wi-Fi on this one, it would be really cool. Settings. Oh wait, connect. I don't know. So let's go to messaging. Is there any message on it? I want to see message. No message. I have no friend. Oh, yeah, no message, bro. Gallery, image. Oh, free items. A spring, 2009. Dental. Oh my gosh, my English. Leaves. Yeah, there's only 3 photos on it. Wait, is there any videos? No, last watch. Oh, video feeds. 1 feed. Oh no, data. Oh man. How do I go back? Yeah, like this. Okay. Songs. Is there any songs on it? No files. Okay. Yeah, let's take a look at the camera. Is it good or bad? I think there's a selfie camera on this. Oh, there's no memory card. Okay. Actually, it's pretty bad. I put this close and I can't even see the word like on here clearly. Oh my gosh, this is really bad. Oh, I haven't take a look at the selfie camera. Let's take a look at the selfie camera. How do I switch it to selfie? Use secondary camera. I think it's this one, right? Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. Like 3 frames per second or something like that. You can see it's so bad. So yeah, is there any games on it? Do you have games on your phone? Apps. Let's go to apps. I think it's Gamis. We have Gamis on this thing. It's not a real Nokia. It doesn't have snake. This is bounce tails. What's this? Oh my gosh. My ears. What is this button? Oh, it's a camera button. I thought it's a volume button. But is there any way to like turn this thing down? Is there any way? No connection with math. No connection with math. Oh my gosh. Let's it's not fun. This phone, it's boring. Yeah. Menu. Is there anything else on it? I need help, mom, help. Let's take a look at apps. OV music. What is OV? I don't know OV. I've heard of this, but I don't really remember. Is it like streaming service back then? I don't know. I don't know. Radio. I want to hear the radio. Activate. Others. America. Others. Okay. Oh, I need kind of wire headset, bro. So, any other apps, PBs, recorders, no memory card. Okay, I don't want to record anything on this. Calculator, email. No, I can't. I don't. Online. But yeah, let's go back and take a look at the games. Oh my gosh. Unlock. Okay, where am I? Where's the Gomez thing? Oh no. Okay. Oh, here it is. Bounce. Right. New game. Oh, where's the speaker, by the way? Oh, it's here. Oh no, don't. Oh my gosh, the what is this? Oh my gosh, I actually hit this. One misty morning in Skybeam land, some didn't feel right. All the land's color seems faded. Bounce traveled on, wondering where the singing birds had gone. So what do I have to do? Okay. How do I? Why I? Okay, so intense gaming time. I'm a gamer. I'm a yeah. So let's move forward. I don't care. So yeah, that's basically this video. I think it's very nice looking. Like I really like this red. It just looks like that my iPod, but yeah, nice color. Nice, like, you know, the feel. Like, yeah, and I don't know if there's anything to say. My ring died. So yeah, that's much it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.